welcome back to the channel. In this video, we got a special holiday mystery box from Chemical Guys. So we're going to go ahead and get this opened up and see what you get. So this box retails for $49.99 on Chemical Guys website, but they promise to give you at least a $99 value of products. So let's bust into this box, get it open, and let's see what we got. I'm gonna go ahead and put this down on the floor just so we have more room on the table here. So the first thing we got is their Chemical Guys Inner Clean. It's an interior detail spray. So that's good for anything, your leathers, your plastics, your vinyls, anything inside your radio screens. That right there will go ahead and get the job done for you and get it nice and clean on the inside. Number two. So number two is one of my favorite products. This is the Hydro Spin. It's a ceramic coating and a quick detailer for your wheels. So I like putting this on right before a car show. It usually lasts anywhere from 3 to 6 weeks, the ceramic does, but it's also a nice quick detail spray too for when you're at the car show. I usually don't leave home without that. I am so glad that was put into this package. Number three is their Signature Series Glass Cleaner. Now this glass cleaner is special because it is their tint formula, and what that means is if you have tinted windows, you can spray this on the inside of your window and it won't damage the tint film at all. So streak-free shine, clean it, clean the inside, clean the outside, don't worry about ruining that tint film. Number four, we have this is their Fresh Cherry Blast air freshener. So if you've never used one of these air fresheners, this type of air freshener is one that you spray on your carpeted areas. So I like to put it on any type of fabric that's not leather or plastic. So the fabric headliner, the carpet, I like to spray it up under the dashboard. That way when the cabin sucks in the air to recirculate the air through my HVAC system, it'll gather some of this scent too, and it'll make the whole car smell good. I've never used the cherry scent. I've always just used their Signature Series vanilla scent. I believe they called it the stripper scent originally. I love that flavor. I love that scent. But cherry is also another good scent to me, so I bet that'll smell just as good in the car as well. Number five, we have their interior and exterior vinyl, rubber, and plastic coating protectant and cleaner. So this stuff is something that I've never used, but I've always wanted to. I just have never pulled the trigger. So I am actually extremely happy that this was put into this package. So what this is it is kind of like a pasty formula, and you put it on a microfiber cloth, rub it on any of your vinyl, plastic, or rubber, and it gives it a nice shiny finish, and it's also a UV protectant, so you don't have to worry about any of that sun fading. So when it gets warmer out here, we'll put that to the test and show you guys how it works. The last bottle we got, that is their Glossworks Ultimate Glaze Polisher. So if you're familiar with polishing, this would be the last step in polishing. This is to get any micro swirl marks or scratches out to give you that perfect mirror shine. I have used this once before. I needed to polish and I didn't have any, and my neighbor actually gave me this to try and borrow, and I really liked it. Again, I never really pulled the trigger on it when I needed some polish, so I'm glad that again that was put into this mystery box for me, because that's something that I do use quite a bit. Now having 3 cars, when I count my wife's car, we do a lot of polishing here, so that'll go through pretty quickly. And then lastly, we have a blue microfiber towel. This is just your plain microfiber towel. I don't know if I can catch it there, but it is edgeless. It's also, from what I can tell, tagless. So I have a handful of Chemical Guys microfiber towels already, and they are great towels. I'm sure this one's going to be just as great. I love the edgeless and the tagless design. These work great. You can revitalize them in the laundry as well. You can buy a special microfiber laundry detergent, and it'll bring it back to life, keep it fluffy and soft for you. All right, guys, so that is all 7 products that was in that box today. So you tell me, was this worth $50? I think so. That's a lot of products, a lot of useful products that I will put to the test and use throughout the car show year and as I'm building my cars. If it's something that you want, I will have a link in the description for it. Now, it is an affiliate link, so I do get a little bit of a commission kickback on that, but it's no extra cost to you, just something to help keep the channel running. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate all the growth that we're having here, and I hope you have a good holiday. I'll catch you in the next one.